Assalamualaikum and good morning. Let's start our presentation today. For the first question, what is price elasticity of demand? So what do you think is that? Price elasticity of demand is measuring the sensitivity or responsiveness of the quantity demand due to change in the price. Or in other words, if there is a change in the price, it will also affect the change in demand. Okay, for the next question, how will 10% price reduction will give an impact to the demand considering the PED is 1.5? To solve this question, we need to find out first how much the percentage of quantity demanded. By using this formula, which is quantity demanded over price and all the information given, we get finally to finalize the percentage of quantity demanded is 15%. We will use elastic demand graph to explain more about our answer today. But why elastic demand? Why not the other graph? Because our PED is greater than 1. That's why elastic demand is the most suitable graph for this question. In the graph, we can see that the percentage of price is decreased by 10%, which is from P0 to P1, and the quantity demanded of sedan will increase by 15% from Q0 to Q1. In conclusion, when the price of sedan is decreased and the quantity demanded of sedan is increased, it will result to total revenue is increased. But how that thing happen, right? This is because this has happened when selling more unit of sedan get to overcome the losses we get from the price reduction of sedan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arman bin FAISHARUL ARMAN and my ID number is MDA 2402081. Today, I'm about to explain my part of the economic assignment, which is to explain the cross-elasticity of demand part. First of all, what is cross-elasticity of demand? Cross-elasticity of demand is defined by measuring the degree of responsiveness of the quantity demanded for particular goods with respect to the change in the price of another goods. Next question. How does the XED of 0.8 between Maju Auto sedan and a competitor's model affect Maju Auto's decision to reduce prices? Well, first of all, we need to insert the formula of cross-elasticity of demand first, which is the percentage of quantity demanded of goods A is divided by the percentage change of the price in goods B. Given that the XED is equals to 0.8 and the price is 10%, this means that 0.8 is equals to the percentage of quantity demanded in Maju Auto sedan over to the percentage of the 10% price of the competitor's model. So the calculation will be exactly 8% of the quantity demanded of Maju Auto sedan. According to the graph here, as you can see, the price of the Maju Auto sedan is decreased by 10% from P2 to P1. This shows that the quantity demanded is increased by 8% from Q1 to Q2. This is due to the cross-price elasticity of demand, which shows that Maju Auto is a good substitute for the competitor's model. The positive XED value confirms that as Maju Auto lowers its price, consumers will switch from a competitor's model to Maju Auto, leading to this increase in demand.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will continue this presentation with the next question about income elasticity of demand. For the first question, what is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded due to a change in income. There are 4 types of income elasticity of demand. Firstly, elastic income elasticity for luxury goods. Secondly, inelastic income elasticity for normal goods. Thirdly, negative income elasticity for inferior goods. And lastly, zero income elasticity. For the next question, the income elasticity of demand of 1.2 for Maju Auto sedans indicates that the car is a luxury goods, meaning demand increases more than proportionally to income changes. To determine the impact of 5% increase in consumer income, we use the income elasticity of demand formula. This suggests that a 5% increase in consumer income will lead to a 6% increase in demand for Maju Auto sedan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafiqin Aqil bin RAZIZ. My ID number is MDA240247. My task is answering question 4. For the question 4A, this is the question. Price elasticity of supply, also we known as a PES, measure the responsiveness of the supply due to a change in the price of the product or service. How to calculate the PES? Here the formula. According to PES of Maju Auto 0.7, so this is 0.7 in the formula. 0.7 equals to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by 10%. 0.7 multiplied with the 10% equals to 7% of quantity supplied. Since the Maju Auto is dealing with the price inelasticity of supply 0.7, it is inelastic supply. What is inelastic supply? Inelastic supply happen Maju Auto decreasing their car price, that leads to the change, a little change in the quantity supplied. Here is the graph. We can see in the graph the price is decreasing and little change happen in the quantity supplied. So that the Maju Auto need to take a precaution action. Number one is the diversity applied sources, because when Maju Auto only rely on the single supply, it will have a higher risk. And when the Maju Auto implement the diversity supply, help Maju Auto explore more car brand to serve as a substitute. Secondly, Maju Auto can make a promotion and pricing strategy that can attract more customer to buy their car. Number 3, build and manage inventory or buffer stock. This kind of precaution action allow the firm to smooth out their supply during the change in the price. After that, what happened to the demand? The graph of the change in demand will shift to the right because of the government increasing consumer income for 5% and the company decreasing their price for 10%, so that the demand will be increasing.